Good morning. So today is a Saturday and I thought it would be fun to share with you what I eat in a day and what I do on a Saturday. Saturdays are normally the days I take care of the house, whether it is to water the plants, do the laundry, clean the house, the garden, and I thought I would take you along with me for today. And now I'm going to be preparing my breakfast. Today I want to have a smoothie. Actually, normally during the weekends I don't have smoothies, I have them more during the week. But today I'm not very hungry and want something simple to prepare. So I'm just going to be making a smoothie. And I like to add to my smoothie some greens. I normally add probably about 2 handfuls of greens. Then I will add 1 celery stick, some apple cider vinegar, some frozen bananas, some blueberry, some dragon fruit, and some dark cherries. I will also add some flax seeds, some Joel's flakes, and some maca powder. Then finally some water, and it is time to blend it up and enjoy it. As you just saw, I finished cutting all the grass around my house. I picked some flowers that I will be drying, and now I'm really hungry. So I have some dal that I made a few days ago, and I will be warming it up for lunch. And if you are interested in this recipe, it's really simple to make. It's packed with protein thanks to the lentils, and it has some great veggies, so I'm really excited to eat it now, and I will catch up with you later. I just came back from a walk with my dad. It was really nice. It's something we often do on the weekend together, either on Saturday or Sunday. And we got to see some beautiful views. And as you saw before lunch, I soaked some buckwheat. I'm now going to rinse it. And I'm going to be making some savory buckwheat pancakes. And on this channel, I have a recipe where my mom teaches me how to make buckwheat tortillas. So it's the same recipe, I just add a little bit less water and I make them smaller and thicker. And it's great with so many spreads. So let's blend it up. It is finally time for some dinner. So I actually have a salad I prepared yesterday to enjoy today, along with some ranch dressing. And if you want a recipe for this, you guessed it, it's on my channel. I will be leaving a link up here as well as in the description below. I also have some tempeh and some zucchinis I prepared last week for meal prep. So I'm going to be warming those up. And after that, I will probably just take a shower, relax for a bit, and go to sleep. Tomorrow I have work in the morning, and then I plan on meal prepping, spending some time with my family. Another busy day is awaiting tomorrow.